The industrial pad mount transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in indoor, outdoor, and public locations. With a transformer rating of 50 KVA, the industrial transformer features a primary voltage of single-phase 11,500 volt delta and a secondary voltage of single-phase 120 and 240 volt Y. An enclosed design caters to installations on concrete pads without protective fencing. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. The unit has a primary loop feed for single installations and dead front primary connections. This transformer also features a tap changer which allows for small changes in voltage. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.